part 2 because now it's the next day. Our suet is frozen now. So here's what you'll need for today: a cutting board, a big knife, so make sure that Mom and Dad are there to help you with cutting the suet. And you received in your bag a suet cage that was made for you. Now remember, you'll just have to tie it with the string here. So we had a little string for you and the holes are already there. And that will be to hang it in the tree. Okay, so come with me. We're ready to get our suet out of the freezer. It should be nice and frozen. Okay. So now, as I mentioned yesterday, the reason we had the wrap was so that it wouldn't stick to the bottom. So I'm going to try to, oh, it comes right out. So we can get rid of the pan. Now here's where you need Mom and Dad's help with the big knife. So just undo the suet. Okay, so I've taken out the suet now. And so Mom and Dad are going to help. Now notice that we want to cut it in half so that it fits in the cage. And so Mom and Dad are going to help with this part. Ooh. And I'm going to take the suet, I'm going to slide it in to the cage. Now, if you have another suet cage, you can use this right away. But if you're not going to use it right away, it needs to stay in the freezer. So it's like ice cream. If you don't eat it all at once, then the rest goes in the freezer. So you can just put it in a bag and toss it in the freezer for next time. Okay. Oh, let me just go put it in the freezer right away so I don't forget. Now, if you're wondering how this cage was made, let's go see how Charles made them. So follow me. Let's go to the garage. So the next step is finding a place for your suet. Now in the summer, you don't want your suet to melt, so you want to find a tree that isn't too much in the sun. So we have our bird houses there, as you can see, our bird feeder and our bird house. But I'm looking and I can't find a spot that's in the shade, so I'm gonna keep looking. and this is our cat Noel. So you'll notice we have him in an enclosure, and that's to not only protect him but to protect the birds. Otherwise he might be chasing the birds. So I'm still looking for a place, place for my suet. Oh, I found a tree. I found a good tree with good branches in the shade. A nice pine tree, so that's nice and cool, and it's by the house. So I'll be able to see. Come over here and let's see. I think I found a branch here. I'm still looking, and I found it. I found the perfect spot for my suet.